Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to set object. So for example, I will create a circle and the next you can change for the color. I will use this color. Use the bucket tools to fill the color. And the next use the magic wand to select the objects. And I will use brush tools. The next, I will change the color into this color and you can fill the object. Okay, in here I will use the circle again, like this. Or another option, you can turn off for the drawing tools and then we can use the brush tools to fill the objects. Okay. Now you need to use the blur tools to set blur into this option. You can click at this like this and you can see we create the set object. I will change again into another color, like you can use this color and then I will create in this point. And then use blur tools to blur in this point. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to set. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.